Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to set up an alarm in your Android phone. You will get a warning or an alarm once somebody touches your phone or removes the charger. So go to Play Store and just look for phone theft alarm. So I'm not gonna complicate things, I'm just gonna go with a simple one, with an easy one. Let's go with this one. Most applications you don't have to confirm your email address or phone number, but this one does. Install. Once the application is installed, you just open it and you have to confirm your email address. You need to log in with your Gmail account or another email. So I'm just gonna confirm my phone number because it's secure this way. So once you enter your email address or phone number, you will get a code in your phone. Just enter that code. So once you enter the code, you have access to the application, accept terms and conditions. And so this one is very simple. You have the charger detection mode. It detects when charger is disconnected. And you have motion detection mode. Detects when device is moved, when somebody tries to take your phone. And proximity, the third option, it detects when your phone is removed from your pocket, when somebody tries to steal it. So you'll get the alarm in these three situations. Go to the three dots, tap the three dots, go to settings. You have to set up your application first. So grace time, I'll just leave it at 0. Grace time before detection 5 seconds is the minimum you can get. Alarm tone, you can choose an alarm. Flash police lights during alarm. If you check this box, you will also get a light with the alarm, of course. So one last thing, don't forget to set up, this is very important, because if you don't set up a pin number, the alarm will never stop. Okay, so you have to set up a pin number. So I prefer pin number, so I just put 4 zeros. It's easy for me to remember. Now everything is all set up. If you forget something, you just go back to settings and change settings. And let's go, for example, this is with the charger detection mode. This, with the charger, you need to connect the charger first and set it up. Press, it's activated now, it says activated. Now let's lock the screen. And let's assume I put my phone on the table, it's charging now, and somebody just came in and disconnects the phone. So it's not gonna stop until you put the pin number. Okay, so as I said, you need a pin number. If you forgot your pin number, it's gonna be a problem, because that alarm is not gonna stop until your phone battery is done. So just don't forget your pin number. Make it easy. After installing the application, you don't need your Wi-Fi or data, just turn it off. Let's go to the second option. You only have 5 seconds to lock your phone screen. Let's assume I just left my phone somewhere. After a few seconds, when somebody tries to open your phone, only the pin number will stop it. And the third option, the same thing. You only have 5 seconds to lock your phone screen. I'm gonna go with another application. Go to Play Store. Open it. After installing the application, just turn off Wi-Fi. You don't need it. So let's go. Let's set up this application. Press next. Next. For this one, you don't need an email confirmation or your phone number. Let's go to customer alarm if you want to change the alarm. Okay, just leave it as it is. PIN number, you need to set up a PIN code or just go with 4 zeros. You can choose any number, make it easy. Charger alarm, if somebody removes your phone charger, you will get the alarm. So let's try it. Start. You have 3 seconds to lock your phone screen. Now somebody will try to check your phone, and that's what happens. You need to unlock the screen, go to the application and enter the PIN number to stop it. As I said, if you don't enter the PIN number, it's not gonna stop. Stop, enter PIN number. Good. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.